Knuckles were on a walk and he found something and he got it in his mouth. Where is he? Hey, buddy. Knuckles, come here. Knuckles, what do you got, bud? What is that? He found... Come here, Knuckles. Knuckles. Hey. He found somebody threw their pizza crust away and he got it. Knuckles, what do you got, bud? Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Hey, buddy. Knuckles, come here. Hey, come here, Knuckles. Knuckles. Come here. Hey. You got that pizza crust? Hey. Knuckles. Good boy. Come here, wait, give me that. Give me that, Knuckles. Give me that pizza crust.